Don't lie.
Shh, 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 shh. Stop! I'm farting. I don't have any bathroom problems at all.
There's a reason people call me White Bee.
Yes, 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 yes. Nick, edit this out. That broccoli I had earlier, I don't even know.
Okay.
Don't do this! Brakes! Brakes! Hello? This is the truth. How do you tie your shoes? I just pooped. Up! Not been very good. That was a wet one. I'm really confused right now. I just pooped my pants and I'm getting it all. I'm splattering. Oops. Oops. Jeepers. Ow. Oh. Like, someone's asked me about my health, like if I care about my health. But the answer is, yes, I do. I'm very aware. But, you know, hey! Oh, shh! Look how healthy I am, sis. Don't do that! So, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Mary Ellen, I'm so sorry. So moo, because I rhyme like Dr.
No,
Sil.
because you're a cow.
And I have to poo. Buddy, it's me, Nick Avocado. Yay! Oh my god, I just pooped. Yes, they agree. Oh my gosh, it's just like flying out of me. Avocado. 4 months in a row.